I had a quick question for those
Sure.
starting to work with ChatGPT. I've played with it a little bit here and there. I actually used it for work once or twice, but very minimally. And one of the things that I recall in that experience is thinking, I wish I knew how to speak ChatGPT effectively. Meaning, I wish I knew how to ask the question in the right way that I'd get the outcome that I was looking for.
Well, I would say it this way, and somebody else on the team decided, well, I'm going to say it this way. And when I guess I'm a very polite person because when I chat with ChatGPT, I'll say, could you provide me this? Or please provide me this. And other people just say, give me this, do this for me. So it's how you prompt it. And we found that with the different prompts, everybody was getting a different response.
Hmm.
And we went and asked ChatGPT, and I'm going to have you guys do that in a minute. Why do we get different responses when using the same prompt? And it'll come back and tell you why. If you just change a word in that prompt, you'll get something different than the person that used the prompt verbatim. What we would do is we've got that USB podcaster microphone. We would replace that for our script with the name of our product, and then we would fine tune it. Right. Sometimes we don't agree with the scenes that they have or what they want you to do, but it gives you a great start on a short video. And the nice thing about it, it doesn't only give you the text, the script text, it actually gives you those scenes and what you need to have for those scenes, right? And we've been using this with ChatGPT now for quite a while.
So how much of the content, the challenge is how do you know, given how different the responses can be? Like sometimes it'll give you back 10 versus 6 versus, right? How do you help constrain it to get more either accurate to what you want or make sure it meets your standards?
So we know what the modules are, and we know what type of topics we should have. So when we go and asking for that course outline, we're always going back and saying, okay, could you fit it here into our, like I did, right, for the prompt? It'll come back. And then we start looking at those topic areas. If they don't fit or if they're not deep enough, then we just start saying, hey, module 2, I need a topic on this. Could you add that? And that's how we start building that out. And then once we build it out with ChatGPT, we just cut and paste into our design document. And then we go to work because, ChatGPT can do a lot for you, but you still got to do some you still got to talk to subject matter experts. ChatGPT doesn't know the product that's coming out in 2 months and you're writing a course for, so that's where you got to get that information. But it can get you very close to saving lots of time and trying to figure out, well, who's my audience? Who's my competitors? I mean, if you just looked at that needs assessment, it was fairly quick.
Yeah.
But definitely for like us on our tab 1, that's our assessment, right?
Dave, it's just amazing. I mean, this is just, I said earlier, like I have so much to learn. And I think what your point earlier about just get in and start playing with it and get comfortable, and ChatGPT will get comfortable with you, using certain words to prompt certain things, that it's really an interesting tool. And Rachel, your question about do you see this replacing, a content. And it sounds like, at least for the near term, that it's going to be kind of a back and forth type of a situation. Like there will still be a need for some type of human intervention that goes along with this.